Financial freedom. What does it mean to you? Is it a life free from debt? Is it the ability to travel the world? Or maybe it's the security of knowing your family is taken care of. Whatever your dream, financial freedom is within reach. It starts with a decision. You must choose to take control of your finances. You must learn the rules of money. And you must have the courage to take action. The path to financial freedom is not always easy. There will be challenges, there will be setbacks, but the rewards are well worth it. When you achieve financial freedom, you unlock a world of possibilities. You have the power to design your own life. You can pursue your passions. You can make a difference in the world. I've met countless individuals who have achieved financial freedom. They come from all walks of life. They have different backgrounds, different educations, and different skill sets, but they all share one thing in common: a burning desire to break free from the rat race. They are tired of living paycheck to paycheck. They are ready to take control of their lives and their money. This book is a roadmap to financial freedom. It's filled with inspiring stories, practical advice, and proven strategies. It's time to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start living it. Are you ready to begin the journey? The first step is the most important one. Take it now.
Meet Sarah. For years, she worked diligently as a graphic designer. She was good at her job, she received praise and promotions, yet she felt unfulfilled. The corporate ladder didn't lead to her dreams, it led to someone else's. Sarah yearned for more control over her time and income. One day, Sarah decided to make a change. She took a leap of faith. She quit her job and started her own graphic design business. It wasn't easy at first. There were long nights and moments of doubt. But Sarah persevered. She had a vision, and she was determined to make it a reality. Sarah's story is not unique. It's a story I've heard time and time again. People are waking up to the fact that trading time for money is not the path to true wealth. They are realizing that true freedom comes from owning your own business, your own assets, and your own time. The entrepreneurial spirit is alive and well. More and more people are choosing to forge their own paths. They are starting businesses, investing in real estate, and building their own financial empires. They are taking control of their financial destinies.
Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to grow their money and secure their financial future. The key is to start early and invest consistently. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Consider the story of Mike, a young man who began investing in his early 20s. He didn't have a lot of money to invest, but he made it a habit to put a portion of every paycheck into a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Years later, Mike's investments had grown substantially. He was well on his way to achieving his financial goals. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs in the market. But by staying disciplined and focused on your long-term goals, you can weather the storms and come out ahead. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow.
Real estate has long been a proven path to wealth creation. It's a tangible asset that can provide both cash flow and appreciation. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is a physical asset you can see and touch. It can provide a sense of security and stability. Take the example of Lisa, a single mother who decided to invest in real estate. She purchased a small rental property, and with the rental income, she was able to cover her mortgage and other expenses. Over time, the value of her property increased, and she was able to acquire additional properties. Lisa had discovered the power of leverage and passive income. Real estate investing is not without its challenges. It requires knowledge, research, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards can be life-changing. From rental properties to flipping houses, there are numerous ways to build wealth through real estate. It's a powerful tool for creating long-term financial security and generating passive income.
Starting a business is not for the faint of heart. It takes hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in your vision. But for those who dare to dream big, the rewards can be immeasurable. Building a successful business allows you to be your own boss, control your own destiny, and create something of lasting value. Meet John, a passionate chef who dreamed of opening his own restaurant. He started small, catering events from his home kitchen. He poured his heart and soul into his cooking, and word of mouth spread quickly. Soon, John had enough saved to open his own restaurant. It was an instant success. John's story is a testament to the power of passion and perseverance. Starting a business is a journey filled with obstacles and challenges. But with the right mindset and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Remember, the greatest businesses were once just ideas in someone's mind.
Your mindset is your most powerful asset when it comes to achieving financial freedom. Your thoughts and beliefs about money shape your actions and ultimately determine your financial outcomes. If you want to change your financial situation, you must first change your money mindset. Many people have limiting beliefs about money. They may believe that money is scarce, that they don't deserve to be wealthy, or that rich people are greedy. These beliefs can sabotage your efforts to achieve financial success. It's essential to identify and challenge these limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Adopt a growth mindset when it comes to your finances. Believe that you can learn and grow and that you have the power to create the financial future you desire. Surround yourself with positive influences, seek out mentors, and embrace the journey of financial education. Financial literacy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. In today's complex world, it's more important than ever to understand how money works. From managing your cash flow to making informed investment decisions, financial knowledge is power. Unfortunately, traditional education systems often fail to adequately prepare individuals for the financial realities of life. It's up to you to take control of your financial education. There are countless resources available, from books and articles to online courses and workshops. Invest in yourself and make financial education a lifelong pursuit. The more you learn about money, the more confident and empowered you'll become in managing your finances. You'll be able to make informed decisions about your money, avoid common financial pitfalls, and create a solid foundation for long-term financial success.
The path to financial freedom is not always smooth sailing. There will be bumps along the road, there will be setbacks and challenges. The key is to view these obstacles not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace failure as a part of the process. Every successful entrepreneur, investor, and business person has faced their share of failures. It's how you learn, adapt, and bounce back from these setbacks that determines your ultimate success. Develop resilience and perseverance. When times get tough and you feel like giving up, remember why you started on this journey in the first place. Remind yourself of your goals and the life you're working towards. Stay focused, stay positive, and never stop learning and growing.
Financial freedom is a deeply personal concept. There is no one-size-fits-all definition. What financial freedom looks like for you will depend on your individual values, goals, and aspirations. Take some time to reflect on what financial freedom truly means to you. Is it about having enough money to cover your basic needs and live comfortably? Is it about having the freedom to pursue your passions without financial constraints? Or is it about leaving a legacy for your children and future generations? Once you have a clear understanding of what financial freedom means to you, you can begin to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart goals to achieve it. Your definition of financial freedom will serve as your compass, guiding you along your journey. You have the power to create the life you desire. Financial freedom is not a matter of luck, circumstance, or genetics. It's a choice. It's about taking control of your finances, educating yourself about money, and taking consistent action towards your goals. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the right circumstances. The best time to take action is always now. Begin by setting small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up to bigger ones. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but with perseverance, determination, and an unwavering belief in yourself, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The future is yours to create.